let's see here. All right, so what board is this? Can you turn that around for me real quick there? Board 6 is over. What happened here, gentlemen?
You know, I think Toby got off to an extremely fast start with England. Got up to 10 centers after 1903.
Oh my God!
And did stuff like that the whole game. And for some reason, he pissed everybody off, but everybody kept on helping him.
So I understand world champions are able to do that, Peter.
Typical.
Typical trade.
All right, Toby, any thoughts on how you managed to make this work?
Just got lucky in joining up with such good guys that were really friendly.
Very nice.
Off those lies the whole game.
What was the final result? Did you get the solo?
12.
Oh, only 12. Oh, you're restraining yourself here.
12-9-9.
12-9-9. Oh, that's a solid.
45 points, that's good.
Yeah, all right. Very good. Any other thoughts about interesting things that happened during the game, guys? No?
Just a lot of duplicity and betrayal.
Mostly executed by Nathan.
Yeah. There's a lot of duplicity from the Russian.
Ah, I see. All right.
Pretty much Nathan was the one who lied the most the entire game.
Awesome.
Light years ahead, right? Way more than
I think it would be fair to say Peter really wanted to attack me. I was the Austrians. He was the Italian.
I told him like
he
4
just
times.
couldn't come up with a good Austrian situation. He really wanted to.
That's awesome. All right. Thanks, guys. Congratulations on your round 1 result.